That's easy.
Whoa, that's a big noodle.
What kind of food did you get?
Yeah, I want some more. I don't want that.
How's your pescetti?
We haven't tried it yet. It's cooling off.
But it looks good.
Hudson, how's your lemonade?
Hot.
Still too?
A lot.
Okay.
Hudson, you get to eat the whole thing. No one else is eating it but Hudson.
Until you're done.
And then Bobby and Dad are going to eat some.
One more smile, Juliet, for the camera.
Hi.
Someone like some of it?
Oh, look, you guys get to eat more bread.
Everybody's smiling. I don't think I had the camera on before, so now I think I have it on.
Hello, my
Okay.
food is great.
Oh, good.
Look at that pot. Wow.
You want some of this?
Wow, what is that?
That is...
What is that,
Grain.
Jeffrey?
It's couscous, Dad. It's
Couscous,
called pearl
thank you.
couscous.
Oh, that's delicious.
It's not a grain, it's a pasta.
I thought the French called it.
That's right. Here, Brian, your beer.
Oh, outstanding. Thank you. Just in time for the
Your
camera.
beer.
Can I get
Daddy.
a couple more spoons?
I think we had pearl couscous at the other seafood restaurant. Dad, in your entree at Christmas dinner?
Right?
And that's what that is, only it's called pearl couscous. It's more of a pasta, it's not a grain.
Right. The menu said it was pasta.
And it is.
Get all of that in now, Hudson.
Yummy.
Oh, he got it. He got it in.